A nail gun can fire a nail at a speed of 1,500 feet per second. A handgun can fire a bullet at a speed of 1,500 feet per second. When it comes to safety, they should be handled the same. Every year, there are approximately 42,000 nail gun injuries reported in the U.S. Approximately $338 million is spent on emergency room care, rehab, and workers' comp as a result of those injuries. When handling a nail gun, you must never perform the following actions. Never operate a nail gun until you have read the manufacturer's safety manual and understand all safety precautions. Never assume the tool is empty. Never engage in horseplay. A nail gun is not a toy. Never carry the tool with your finger on or squeezing the trigger. Never operate a malfunctioning tool. Never attempt to load new fasteners while holding the trigger or depressing the work contact element. Never operate the tool with the work contact removed. It is there to keep you safe. Never drive a nail into a knot or on top of another fastener. It could cause the nail to ricochet and endanger yourself or others. Never attempt to nail something that is beyond your reach. Should you accidentally shoot yourself with a fastener, never attempt to pull it out yourself. Seek immediate medical attention. When handling a nail gun, you should always practice the following safety guidelines. Always wear proper eye and ear protection. Always know your target and what is beyond it. A misplaced nail can travel 100 feet or more. Always point the business end or the nose piece of the nail gun away from yourself and others. Always disconnect the nail gun from the air source before servicing it or clearing a nail jam. Always keep your nail gun clean and maintained. A well-maintained nail gun is a safer nail gun. There are many different fasteners available. Always select the fastener designed to fire through your tool. Always maintain proper footing. Remember and put into practice all of these important safety tips every time you work with a nail gun. And please be safe.